Hey you guys, it's Super Dr. Mojo here. Today I'm going to be testing out these Revel scooters, or like electric moped type things that you can drive on the street. They're kind of like those Lime scooters, so let's get on one and see what we think. Here we go. I'ma go get it tonight. Alright, so right off the bat, I can tell you they got a little bit of torque. And it's not gonna, blow you back, but it's got enough to get you, on the street and out of the way if you need to, in a hurry. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by giving you guys a couple of updates on why I haven't posted in a while. The first thing, which happened about a year ago, is my CRF 250L got stolen from my apartment that I was living at. I was about to move to a different apartment with a garage, but before I could move, they stole my bike. But it wasn't too bad. It was paid out by insurance. So, I had a chance to buy another one, but the thing also, another update is I got married in May, and so we needed a little bit of money for the wedding, so I opted to hold off on buying another bike, just to help pay for the wedding. Then we also moved to a different apartment, so that's why I haven't gotten a new bike yet. Alright, another update was my wife also wanted a dog, and so we've been wanting a French Bulldog for a while. So we had a chance to buy one, and so some of the funds went towards that. So there goes my dreams of getting another bike. But then I got a used SV650S. It was an 03. I had it, but it wasn't very comfortable. It wasn't something I wanted to keep long term, so I just cleaned it up, and then I just sold it, and I made a little bit of profit on it just by cleaning everything and really just doing a little bit of maintenance on it. After that, I got a new car, got a Mustang GT. It was a 2012. Then I started getting kind of tired of it after a few months, and then I decided to sell it. But before I could sell it, I crashed. I lost control in a big puddle. I hydroplaned here in Austin, and so I had to get a new car. So I got a new Mazda, and I'm going to be doing a few videos on it. It's a 2019 Mazda 3 hatchback. It's all-wheel drive. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. There will be some videos of me in the mud and at the beach, see how it handles. But other than that, right now I don't have a bike. So that's why I'm kind of doing videos with this scooter. I do have a chance of getting an 03 Harley Sportster. I know it's different than what I'm used to, but it needs some love, and it gives me something to record. But other than the Mazda video, stay tuned if you're interested in that. Let's keep reviewing this scooter while we're here. Alright, so if you haven't noticed, these scooters top out at 30 miles an hour. In the city it's fine, when you're driving around, but out here in the straight road, it kind of seems like you're going pretty slow. Now luckily the speed limit here is 35, but it's still a little slow. Now to ride these bikes, it is pretty cheap. It takes $1 to turn on the initial bike, I guess. And then after that, it's 25 cents a minute while you're riding. And then if you happen to pause your ride because you're not moving for a while, that's only 10 cents a minute. So I think we rode for about an hour and a half, and that ended up being about $21. Now remember, we had to pay a $5 fee to kind of do like a license check. They want to make sure that you're able to drive their scooters, but once they do that, you never have to do it again. It's $5 the first time you ride. So total, I think we spent 25 bucks riding today. And so overall, these scooters were pretty fun. If you're away from your house and in the city, visiting, we have them here in Austin. I think they're on the East Coast. And you don't have your own motorcycle around, these are a great option for seeing the town a little differently than you would in a car, and still getting that feel of being outside. for the price. I mean, like I said, we rode an hour and a half and spent like 20 bucks, 25 bucks. It's kind of hard to say it's not worth it. Yeah, they don't go as fast and they're electric, but they were still pretty fun. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, now we're in beautiful downtown. You can see the skyline here. This is where this scooter really excels, where it's the most fun, because traffic isn't moving very fast. But man, if Revel really cranked these up to 40 miles an hour, man, these would it'd be a lot more fun. They'd be in that very good sweet spot. I think we topped it out at 40 going downhill, but at 40 there's an electric brake that slows you down on its own. Either way, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on what was going on with me, why I haven't posted any videos, just so you guys know what's up. Another thing is that I hate editing. It takes forever. You have to cut everything and put it together. So it takes a while for me to get back on and actually do this. I also didn't tell you guys, but a few of my family members also got married. My older brother got married, so I was editing his videos, and so that really kind of kept me away from doing this. But I know this has been kind of long, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, ask in the comment section. But either way, if you have these around your town or you're visiting Austin, rent one of these little mopeds and go have some fun. You guys take care. And trust me, I'm a doctor.
¡No, su puta madre!